Tucked away in the misty folds of Catalonia's rugged hills, El Fonoll is not just a naturist village, it's a quiet revolution. A place where clothes are optional but connection is essential, where the rhythm of life slows to match the heartbeat of the earth. Here, nudity is not rebellion, but return. A return to simplicity, to nature, to self. El Fonoll sits like a secret whispered by the mountains, surrounded by forests that hum with birdsong and trails that wind through thyme-scented air. The village itself is a restored medieval hamlet, its stone buildings reborn with solar panels, composting toilets, and organic gardens. Sustainability isn't a slogan here, it's the soil beneath your feet, the food on your plate, the ethos in every shared smile. As you enter, the first thing you notice isn't the absence of clothing, it's the presence of ease. People move freely, sun-kissed and unhurried, tending to vegetables, practicing yoga, or chatting over herbal tea. There's no judgment, no performance. Just bodies as they are, and lives lived gently. The village welcomes all ages, all backgrounds, all stories. It's a mosaic of wanderers, healers, artists, and seekers, each drawn by the promise of authenticity. Days begin with birds and bread. Freshly baked loaves from the communal oven, shared under fig trees. Mornings might unfold into meditation, gardening, or hikes through the hills. Afternoons bring workshops, permaculture, pottery, poetry, or simply the joy of doing nothing. Evenings are for music, storytelling, and stargazing. The sky here is vast and unpolluted, a canvas for dreams. But beneath the tranquility lies a quiet suspense, the kind that comes from shedding layers, both literal and emotional. Visitors often arrive with hesitation, unsure of what it means to be truly seen. And then, slowly, the masks fall. Not just the clothes, but the roles, the expectations, the armor. In El Fonoll, vulnerability becomes strength. Community becomes sanctuary. The village is self-sufficient in spirit and practice. Electricity comes from the sun, water from the mountains, food from the land. Waste is recycled, and decisions are made collectively. There's no hierarchy, no hustle. Just a shared commitment to living lightly and kindly. El Fonoll isn't a utopia, it's a living experiment. A place where people try, fail, learn, and grow. Where nudity is not the goal, but the gateway. To presence, to honesty, to belonging. And when you leave, if you leave, you carry more than memories. You carry a new way of seeing. A reminder that beneath the layers of modern life, there is a simpler truth waiting to be lived.